We've known that our coffee is first class for a long time. But now you can earn money with our coffee machines. Simply purchase one of our machines and become one of our partners. We then give you money for every cup of coffee. Recommend our machines further and your income will increase. If you like, we can even organize presentations on your behalf and provide you with everything you need. If you have been successful, you can make free use of our training programs and make more and more money with every single cup. Who would have thought this coffee machine could be the perfect way to earn extra cash? Come and drop by for a coffee. The team at HMT Marketing is looking forward to meeting you.